Documents and texts.
Ad. Advertisement. I saw an ad for a new phone on the internet yesterday.
Article. She read an article about animals in the school magazine last night.
Bill. We paid the bill after we finished eating at the restaurant.
Card. He gave me a birthday card with a nice message inside.
Comic. My brother bought a comic about superheroes last weekend.
Diary. She wrote about her trip to the beach in her diary.
Diploma. He received a diploma when he finished high school.
Email. I sent an email to my teacher to ask about the homework.
Form. We filled out a form to join the school sports club.
Letter. My grandmother wrote me a letter from another city.
License. My dad showed his driving license to the police officer.
Magazine. She bought a magazine with lots of pictures of famous singers.
Menu. We looked at the menu and chose pizza for lunch.
Message. I got a message from my friend about the party last night.
Newspaper. My uncle read the newspaper while he drank his coffee.
Note. She left a note on my desk to say thank you.
Notebook. I wrote new English words in my notebook yesterday.
Notice. We saw a notice about a school play on the notice board.
Passport. He showed his passport at the airport before the flight.
Postcard. My cousin sent me a postcard from Paris last summer.
Project. We worked on a science project together last week.
Sign. They stopped the car when they saw a stop sign on the road.
Textbook. I studied English grammar from my textbook last night.
Ticket. We bought train tickets to visit our grandparents.